You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is obviously a French phrase. In French, in France, it is said as toi et moi, the name of a famous song too. Toi et moi. Toi is French for you, et is and, moi is me. In English, toi et moi. The T is silent, so it's not et, moi. Toi et moi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.